Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fold this folding bike models Cam 20X1. First, make sure your left pedal is 90 degree at the front. Okay, then take up the stand, and I'll do a close-up video for this middle folding. Okay, this is how you release the lock. Okay, it's very easy with a double safety lock. Okay, now this is how you fold for the front handlebar. Also have a double safety lock. See, this is a close-up. Okay, you have a look closely. It's very easy actually. Okay, so you just release the lock. Okay, then you fold the handlebar to the left side. Okay, after you're done, this is how you fold the bike into half. Okay, we fold. Okay, to make sure the bicycle can stand in the folding position, you have to release your seat post and put it down. Lower your seat post and you can stand your folding bike. Okay, now I unfold back again. Okay, you see how easy to unfold with the double safety. Okay, we open up the handlebar, lock it. Okay, it's ready to go. Oh yeah, I also want to show you this pedal can be fold also. Okay, if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to get more details about the bicycle, do message us or give us a call. Thank you.